this overview, we'll show you the highlights of advanced forecasting. According to a recent CSO Insights practice study, less than half of forecasted sales are won, with many won sales not closing as forecasted, and that 1 in 4 companies are concerned about forecast accuracy and reliability. Advanced forecasting helps you collaboratively predict realistic forecast targets, track progress, and optimize your strategy, coverage, and quota targets so that you can confidently commit to forecast targets. Provided as a best practice prescriptive framework, advanced forecasting is a purely data-driven and collaborative process with a flexible configuration to meet unique industry and business requirements. Advanced forecasting also provides multi-dimensional scenario modeling, what-if forecasting with predictive analysis, and integrates with customer experience systems. You can better plan key accounts, better predict quota attainment, act on forecast trends and selling, personnel, or negotiating issues, integrate quota, compensation, and sales planning, and ensure collaboration and accountability between sales managers and their reps. Support for SmartView from Microsoft Office enables you to forecast using the tools you're comfortable with within a unified, reliable view of your real-time data. SmartView eliminates data silos and the risks associated with sharing too many files. With advanced forecasting, you can perform weekly, monthly, or rolling forecasts. Forecast by territory, product, account, or channel. Use custom metrics, KPIs, and measures to drive commits and reporting across the hierarchy. And use quota targets. To create a best practice forecasting model out of the box, have your administrator perform these setup tasks. Enable advanced forecasting by territory, product, account, or other custom dimensions. Choose the planning granularity, and enable additional features such as predictive planning. Let's explore forecasting in a sample application. On Overview, you can review the forecast that's been aggregated to each level in your sales hierarchy and access key data such as current bookings, last year's bookings, forecast commitment, sales opportunities, pipeline data, predicted attainment, compensation given the forecast, and forecast trends. On Forecast Summary, you can review and adjust the targets for sales reps to refine their forecast commitments. You can also review pipeline and commission compensation details. On Revenue Prediction, you can forecast revenue data for the rest of the year by running predictions on actual bookings. Although you can derive your forecast based on the pipeline, you can also simulate it based on historical bookings. Run a prediction to generate a more reliable, data-driven revenue forecast. You can run predictions for different what-if scenarios and compare these different forecast models before committing to forecast targets. You can copy and paste the predicted targets to different forecast scenarios. All forecast worksheets are refreshed with these targets. On Forecast Detail, you can adjust the forecast targets at a granular level using dimensions such as product, channel, or account. You can also adjust commitments based on custom dimensions, measures, and KPIs. To evaluate progress towards the forecast, regional managers and their reps can hold collaborative weekly reviews to determine how opportunities align with target quotas. They can analyze forecasts by territory, key account, and opportunity, get more insight using predictive planning and probability metrics, and make adjustments to ensure forecast accuracy. Use the provided business rules to convert forecast targets to meet your reporting and analytic needs. For example, if you forecast weekly, you can generate monthly forecast targets using the Convert Weekly Data to Month business rule. In this overview, we showed you the highlights of advanced sales forecasting. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.